download and install Realtek audio drivers in Windows 11. So if you want to download and install Realtek audio drivers in your Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your browser and search for Realtek audio drivers. Once you've searched for Realtek audio drivers, now you can just simply go with the first option, which is www.intel.com. And if you scroll down, then here you will have the download option. So you just need to simply go with download, and I accept the terms in the license agreement. And it says that your download will begin automatically. If it doesn't, you can download manually. So as you can see that it is being downloaded, which is on the top right. So let's remove this and go with the downloads, which is on the top, and it will started the downloading process. So it may take a few seconds to download. Just wait for a bit. Once it's downloaded, you can just simply go with your file explorer, and here you can go with downloads. And as you can see that you will have the file right here. So you just need simply double click on the file and it will start the installing process, or just right click on it and you will have the extract option. Just go with extract all. Once you've extracted, then it will start the installing process. So that's how you can install Realtek audio drivers on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.